ako guys, maglakad-lakad. Pakita ko sa iyo yung lakaran ko everyday. See you later.
Meron pa sa sulok guys, si Manang, saka si Manong. Mahilig talaga sila dito guys, yung mga yung mga may edad na. Mano sila sa kung yung sayaw-sayaw. Tingnan natin guys kung nandun yung mga friends ko dun sa walking area, yung mga Chinese. Ito pala guys, yung mga rent bike dito. Maka-rent ka with app. Guys, dito sa China, you need to be careful in the road kasi nga kahit green, ano rin sila, walang ano yan sila kung red, green. So kailangan yung mga driver kailangan mag-ingat tayo na sa kalsada. So yun ang ginagawa ko kasi hindi sila nagpa-follow. Tingin. Ito yung mga matanda guys kasi nga every morning dyan talaga sila nakaupo, nakatingin-tingin sa mga tao, tapos minsan sumasayaw sila. May mga group kasi sila guys, tsaka yung grupo dito sa nalaman ko is free lang, volunteer lang ba. Tapos yun, sayaw-sayaw. Nandito na tayo guys. Yung place, ito yung place na araw-araw ko talaga. Gusto ko talaga yung place na to. Kaya nga lang, minsan kasi crowd. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Energetic ang mga tao dito guys. Nakakatuwa. So maglakad lang ako ng 1 hour. Libot-libutin ko lang to. Ang group ko kasi from 6 o'clock to 7. So nakakatuwa guys. Meron din dito ano ba yun? Food mall. So yun lang guys. So mamaya mag-walking rin ako papunta sa friend ko na si Ipang. So puntahan ko yung place nila, lakarin ko lang. Siguro from my place going to like Mulopolo. So see you later. Thank you for watching. Bili muna ako ng tubig guys sa Family Mart. Wala pala akong dalang pera. Tingnan ko lang yung WeChat ko. I will pay na lang by online. So we will see guys. Dito na tayo sa Family Mart guys. Samahan niyo ako. Bili ako ng tubig. Pang namin, pang coffee. May ventilation, Maidan. Namin yan guys. Yung husband ko nandun sa window. So yun guys, I bought water. So I'm very lucky I still have money in my WeChat. So pauwi na ako sa bahay. See you later. Guys namin guys, we have Chinese restaurant around. So my husband told me they have a very good dumpling. Actually our place is not that bad. Kahit mag-change kami ng location ng apartment kasi gusto ko rin dito malapit lang sa may mga restaurant, yung walking area, dumpling restaurant. Makitry nga, malapit lang sa ako, yung pera ko, dala-dala 60, 70, 80, mga 90. So around mga siya guys, wala pang 600, maglakad-lakad lang ako. Samahan nyo ako, mag-visit ako sa friend ko, bigay ko lang yung mga padala. Guys, maglakad, tapos i-visit ko yung friend ko si Fifi sa workplace niya, tsaka kay Jennifer, kasi nga nagpapadala siya sa akin. So i-meet ko rin yung friend ko na si Juna. Malayo-layo to guys, siguro papuntang Amparo. See you later, samahan nyo ako. So guys, samahan nyo ako. So ganito yung bag ko, maglakad-lakad. See you later. So, see you later guys. Pa on the way na, lakad-lakad. Ang ganda ng weather. So, very lucky kasi nga light lang, jacket lang yung gamit. So, excited to see yung mga yung mga store na napuntahan ko dati. So, I will share you later on. Please keep on watching guys. Walang kukurap. Guys, may bus naman dito or taxi. Gusto ko lang talaga maglakad. So, syempre, iwas-iwas rin ang natin. So, kailangan maglakad. Ito yung friend ko guys. Friends ko guys na very beautiful. Flower. Ito yung mga ang daming mga chocolate guys. So if you want to buy something and siya international only very expensive. Chocolate. How? Oh, mura lang to. 10 RMB, 60 peso. Ang daming mga guys, dito ako bumibili. Malapit lang sa amin. Mga tuna. Wow, hausa. Mga ulag-ulag. Binivisit ko yung friend ko malapit sa namin, sa bahay namin. Doon ako bumibili ng mga international mga chocolates, mga mga coffee. Mabait kasi yun. Tapos i-text niya ako kung may mga may mga sale. So yun lang guys, masaya lang ako. Guys, malapit na tayo sa Jing'an Temple. So may mga police dito guys, kung anong mangyari, kung anong mga So sila, talagang rin, very organized. Kaming Family Mart dito guys. Guys, ito yung mall na malapit sa amin. May H&M, tsaka Miniso. So, probably later on, I will go inside. So, kasi mukhang kailangan kong puntahan yung friend ko. So, later na lang. Hala, may labasa na pala itong labasa. Break time kasi, 12 o'clock here kasi. So, lunch time, break time. So, a lot of people, guys. For break time, going to the restaurant. Mga yan, mga trabahante. Going for lunch. So, kailangan tayong mag-social distancing. So, Shangri-La Jing'an Temple. Guys, malapit lang tayo sa line 7 and line 2. So, exit 9. Guys, we are here in the Julu Road. So, this street is a lot of restaurant. So, this is my friend's place. She work here in the spa. So, in a few minutes we will be arrived. So, she will be surprised. So, we will see guys. So, I will surprise her. I only want to drop. Then say hello. Normally we going to their place in Helen Spa. They are very very nice staff, and they have a very good manicure, pedicure, waxing, and they have also do the eyelashes. So see you later guys. In a few minutes I'll be there. Here, Helen Spa. We're here already guys in Helen Spa. So I will ask my friend if it's already there. So I think she's here. So my friend is here. Daming tao guys. Sa friend ko, Jennifer. So in a few minutes I will be arrived. Sa friend ko ng apartment. So see you later. Guys, tapos na binigay ko yung ko sa friend ko. So ibang friend na naman puntahan ko, si John Sweetie Pie. So lakarin ko lang. Siguro lakad ko is around 10 to 15 minutes daw. So see you later. Taas ng nilakaran ko. Na pala ako siguro mga 15 minutes. 15 minutes na ako hindi, around 20 minutes. Tapos akala ko nawala ako. Yung friend ko kasi nasa sa Maifanyulu area. So naglubat pa naman ako. Diyos ko, buti na nag 2 blocks lang ako na na sobraan. So we will see, guys. Oh my God! Palagi talaga akong I'm always lost. If I'm going somewhere, I'm always lost. We will see, guys. See you. Ko, saan na ni? Nandito na kami. Yung baby Vanessa. Baby ko to. Pinanganak ko lang ngayon. Lab-lab. Ay, uy, ay, ay. Ako, mag-bus ako. I wait the bus 48. Nandito ako sa bus station. Tayo sa bus. Ang bayad ko sa bus is around like 2 RMB. So it's like 12 peso.
We are running at Shanghai.
Sa China is yung nila, yung mga cars nila, mga bus is electric. Lakad na naman ako kasi I was lost. So I checked the 911. 911 kasi nga yung friend ko nagsabi 911 48 din 911 na bus. So ngayon I was lost. So I walk, it's not lost, I know the place actually. Hindi naman ako mawala kasi alam ko yung place. Weather ngayon, very comfortable for walking. So mag-walk na lang siguro ako kasi nga busog rin ako. Kumain kami ng fish. Yung friend ko nagluto. So it's good na maglakad na lang ako. Siguro around 20 minutes by walking to our place. So see you later, guys. The traffic here, guys. Kung makita niyo ang big building, pudong na yan, guys. So I don't want to go there. Kasi wala mga social distancing, nobody knows. In our place, it takes like walking around like 8 to 10 minutes. It depends on how I fast walking. So see you later, guys. So kaway-kaway dyan kay Ma'am Sandra, Jalil, Chris, lahat ng mga friends ko na nasa Philippines. So see you soon. God bless everyone. Daming tao, guys, kasi nga finish na yung working time. Sa kadalanan, hadlok ba kayo ba? Pero so far dito sa Shanghai, guys, lang siya, may case na unti, pero nga lang, gabi ka kontrolado na sa isolation na. Pero ingat-ingat pa rin. Here in Dumpling Restaurant, we will check what we have here. That's the price, guys. We have a dinner here. Kasi nga, I was very lazy. From 11:30, then until now, I never go home yet. So, Ruben was a little bit pissed. No. He was not pissed. Actually, he invited me for dinner at dumpling. So, we have a dinner, Chinese dumpling. So, the place is around, guys, only, by walking, only 1 minute. 2 minutes to our place. So, very close. So, as you can see, guys, in the road, a lot of people around. Dinner namin, guys. Enjoy my shot for today. So thank you for watching, guys. So kaway. So see you tomorrow. So probably I will go to Minnesota tomorrow. We will check the H&M because I saw I have many sell. So we will see there. I want to buy some kids clothes for my niece, for baby girl. So I'm very excited. So God bless everyone. Stay safe. See ya.